This morning I woke up early, so I decided to make 3 dishes out of this fish, tuna, pork, and vegetables. So I'm gonna make fish tinola, and maybe I'm gonna twist it. I'm gonna put some sinigang, but I'm gonna have to decide later. And then I'm gonna cut this in cubes, little cubes, and I'm gonna put it with bag of beans. I'm gonna saute it, and then I'm gonna slice this one in horizontally, and I'm gonna have vegetables baked and then fry. I'm gonna put my tomatoes and my ginger. I'm gonna let it boil, and then once it boils, I'm gonna put my tuna, and then it only takes maybe 15 minutes to cook the tuna. Then I'm gonna put my sinigang, little sinigang mix, and then I'm gonna put this one. Then that's it. Okay, it's boiling. I'm gonna put my fish now. I actually put salt already. You noticed I have little spices here because I'm actually budgeting my spices. Because when I went to the groceries yesterday, oh my god, they're all gone already. I can't find any tomatoes, I can't find any onion, ginger, so I just have to use whatever is available, and I have to budget them. And then I'm gonna put sinigang mix. This is just a little, just for me and my hubby. Okay, then we're gonna put spring onions. Carrying my ingredients for my sauteed bag of beans or green beans, and I already sliced the one that I'm gonna bake and fry with vegetables, so I can have a bonus side dish of vegetable later. Before I take this out, I'm gonna put a little of Rufina patis to make more, to add more taste on it. We're gonna plate now. Okay, here's my simple, very simple tuna soup with a little sinigang twist. Ooh. Wow, Daddy is here already. So timely. Oh my god, my husband ate them all. Just this one that's left from no, he's still eating. that's him. How's my cooking, baby? Oh my god. I'm gonna layer this one. This is the one I'm gonna put in the oven. Oh, my baby is crying now. Okay, wait for mommy langga. Okay, and I'm gonna put this one. This I really like, to layer everything and bake or cook. Okay, and then after that, I'm gonna put the hard part of the hard part of asparagus. And then I actually put already some soy sauce in here and some garlic. All right, then I'm gonna pour everything. This is gonna be really good. I'm gonna put the remaining vegetables. Cilantro will be the last. When it's done, when I'm gonna plate, I'm gonna put cilantro. But this one, just have to layer it. Right. And this one. And then we're gonna cover this one with foil, and we're gonna bake it maybe 30 minutes. Then after, I'm gonna fry my pork, and then I'm gonna leave the vegetables as my side dish. Great. Later it will create some liquid in it, and the flavor will go there. Okay, we're gonna start with our garlic. Onion. And pork. Later we're gonna add the vegetables after maybe 10 minutes, okay? I just added oyster sauce. Then we're gonna put the vegetables. I'm gonna put a little water later. And then after this, when it's cooked but still crunchy, I'm gonna put the broccoli. Time for broccoli. Broccoli is so easy to cook. The heat will just make like steam heating for it to be eaten well, and can leave the vegetable a little crispy but cooked. So this is gonna dry. So we're done. I'm gonna plate this one now. One last dish, the one in the oven, while I'm waiting for it to be 30 minutes. I'm gonna eat the leftover of my husband. the tuna tinola with sinigang twist. All right. Okay, it's still cooking. And here it is, my sauteed vegetables. And this is the leftover my husband left for me. Oh, that's fine. I can eat that. All right. See you when the other one is done. All right, we're gonna stop now. And we're gonna check, and it smells good. Okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wow, see, there's liquid already. Okay, so this is cooked already. This one I need to get first because I'm gonna fry this one later. All right, all right. And then the vegetables, that's already the side dish. Ooh, it's really good. It smells good. Wow. So when you fry this pork, it's just to brown it because it's already cooked. Right. I start loving this type of dish when I started it like 2 weeks ago, and I always want to do it again and again and again. So this one is already the side dish. It has liquid, all flavors are there, and we're gonna plate it. Oh, this is so nutritious. It smells good. Totally wash this container because this is the one we used when we bake them. So I just put the fire into high so that we can have the brown color easily on it. We don't have to cook it longer because this is already baked. Yeah, it's easy and it's so quick to fry them because they're already baked. So this one is just for making it brown. This is a side dish, and this is the one I fried. And then before I serve it or put it in my husband's go-to pack for his work, I'm gonna cut it. Okay, I hope you like my dishes today, and I hope you can get some ideas from it. I only prepared them all in less than 2 hours. The one that I prepared earlier, the tinola, is already done, already gone. My husband ate the 1/5 of no the 4/5 of it, and I ate the 1/5. So bye-bye. I'm gonna see you next time. Thank you. Please click and subscribe. Bye.